Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. I can put about s equals to negative t. So we have s approach to negative infinity. Now we put negative t gone here. So negative and negative, we simplify. So t approach to positive infinity. So this one we change by t approach to positive infinity. S we change by negative t, and negative t. So this one, that is about even power. So you got positive t square. This one we have negative number 2t. Negative, we have positive. Next, we can apply the formula in here. Because we want to cancel about the square root, so we need to have the power 2 in here. To create about this one, we need to multiply by a minus b on numerator and denominator. So they should be like this. So this one we transform into this one. So t square and t square we can simplify. Next, we divide by t on numerator and denominator. This one we have number 2, this one we have number 1, and t will go inside in here. So we have t square over t square minus 2t over t square. So this one we have number 1, and we have number 2 over t. So we know that when t approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to number 0. So we have 1 minus 1. You got about number 0. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we know that we have number 1 minus the number something number in here. So this one always smaller than number 1. That means when t does not approach near to positive infinity, this number in here under the square root is smaller than number 1, because 1 minus the number something in here under square root is smaller than number 1. So this one that's still about negative. So we see that we have negative number 2 in here. So negative divided by negative, you got positive. So the number divided by number 0, you got infinity. So this one should be about positive infinity. This is the end. Thank you for watching.